welcome back to our channel Pushpa's Pretty Updates channel. How are you all? Hope everybody are fine and safe. Today I am going to prepare an Indian salad. As an Indian, I am preparing Indian salad. Many salads are there: Mexican salad, Russian salad, and etc. Today I am going to prepare pure Indian salad, which makes your skin youthful, shiny, fluffy, and young. And the ingredients which I have used in this salad are purely contains beautiful enzymes, antioxidants for anti-aging and also anti-aging properties. And before going to start the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Your likes gives me more strength and motivation to do more videos. Thank you so much. We will start the video. First we need to take a small bowl to mix all these ingredients, and first I am going to take this grated carrot, which is useful for your eyes and also skin. It helps in weight loss and helps in digestion, lower blood pressure, and also gives beautiful radiant glow for your skin. And the second, I am going to take tomatoes, which are used as internal natural sunscreen also. And tomatoes reduce open pores and blackheads, and which is also used as an antioxidant for your skin. Next I am going to take this is paneer. 2 slices of paneer I have taken and roasted it in butter. If you are not available with paneer, you can go with the cheese also, and which is having vitamin D and which is rich in protein and also which is having many benefits for your skin. I have roasted it in butter. Next I am going to take capsicum, which are having anti-aging and antioxidant properties, which gives your skin clear and keeps your eyes very good, and which are having most saturated fats also, which helps the skin. Next I am taking one fruit, that is banana. I have banana, so I have taken banana, which is having vitamin A and which helps you to make your skin moisturize. Okay, if you are not available with banana, you can go with papaya also. Next I am going to take basil leaves or tulsi leaves. See, I have taken 5 to 7 tulsi leaves, and which improves the clogged pores of your skin and removes dirt in your skin. And one more thing I need to say, if you take 10 basil leaves and tulsi leaves daily, it helps your skin a lot. And one more beautiful face pack I'll tell you. Basil leaves plus sandalwood and rose water. Combine these 3, it becomes a beautiful face pack to your face. I am going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Naturally, no chemicals and no preservatives, and decreases acne by killing of bacteria and hydrating your skin. Everything is clean and clear. And next I am going to use spring onions, which is having sulfur and which helps your skin to be young and shiny. Later I need to take a big bowl rather than this. It is very difficult to mix it up. So I am going to transfer all this into a big bowl. Time for dressing this salad. Now I am going to use this curd. It is full of good bacteria, helps your skin glow by nourishing it, which is having vitamin D and proteins and calcium. Okay, and next I'm going to add lemon, which is having vitamin C, citric acid. It breaks down the dead skin cells. And next I'm going to add salt for taste, and I'm going to add pepper. See, you can make salads in two ways, either sweet or hot. Today I am going to make it hot as the climate is very cool. I am using this pepper. If instead of hot, if you want to make it sweet, you need to add honey. And now you need to mix all this ingredients. And you can use sesame seeds also, roasted sesame seeds, which is having vitamin A. I don't have, so that I did not use it. It is finished. Now I am going to transfer it in a bowl. Friends, I have transferred it in a bowl, and I am going to keep this tulsi leaf on it because we prepared it with tulsi. See how delicious it looks. Let me tell you the taste also. Super awesome taste, equal to Amritam. Hope you like this video, and please like and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.